Where are you, Mr. Kitt? Huh? You're at a dog park. Yeah, you is. Want me to release you? Hold on, stay. Come here. Ugh. Go, you're free. You're free. What do you think the chances of us sitting right yonder on that bench and shooting the balls out here, bring them back? The only reason I want to be lazy because today is right now 100 degrees. Why are you outside when it's 100 degrees, Mike? Going to tell you, fixing to tell you. Then I'm going to tell you why it's, yeah, I'll tell you something else after that. All right, he's up here. Oh, he was sniffing that bowl. Hey, Kitt. Here, Kitt, come, Kitt. And he don't do that often. We had him here yesterday too, and that's why we're here today. We'll walk over to him. We are in a heat wave. So the heat wave started Sunday of last week. Today is actually Saturday. I know you've probably seen this on a Wednesday. So, and each day got hotter and hotter. We're 100 degrees. The only thing in our favor right now is humidity is only 54. So I haven't been able to take Kitt to a lot of places. I mean, I have, but they've been short walks because I don't do so well in hot temperatures. Actually, the hot temperatures is one thing, but hot and humid is where I do the worst. So I bring him out here hoping to wear him down, but you gotta get him running. Now, where I'm at now, I'm in a town called Greendale. I think the name of this dog park is Woof Woof Park or something. It is my second favorite dog park, by the way. My number one favorite, I would love to take them there, but there it's hard to find it with no peoples. I'm saying. Now, I do hope people come, but I want them to take their dog on the other side because I want to get Kitt to run and play with other dogs. Okay, he's over here. Let's see if I can get him to chase the ball. Hey, Kitt! Get it! Oh, he stands there and looks at him. Bring it back! Come on, bring it back! Come on! One of the things I really like about this park, and I'm going to show you in a second, is the water fountain. Yeah. Now, don't know how safe it is or how unsafe it is. I ran this through my mind multiple times ever since the first time. Whoa, his leash was falling off my neck. Ever since the first time I came to this park, I am pretty convinced it's pretty safe. Let me show you. Okay, now this will leak out the bottom. It never stays with water in it. And before I give him water, I usually make sure I clean out the bowl real good. Here you go, Kitt.
Get your drink.
Here you go. Get your drink, Bubby. Here. Here, right here. Get your drink right there. Come on, get you a drink.
Go get your ball.
I guess you ain't thirsty yet, but yeah, it has small holes on the bottom where it leaks it out.
Go get it.
And of course, it being stainless steel, I don't know what type of doggy germs that we have in it. I don't know, but I'm taking that chance. Of course, we did bring water for him. Of course, why don't we have that water here now? Good question. I don't have an answer. I've been giving him water out of the bowl every time I come here. So far, he seems to be okay with it. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Come on, Kitt. Come. Now, I will tell you this. If I did nothing with him, I'm going to tell you what he will do when he's at home. He will stay in there and bark at me because he wants to play. Because he's bored. And he has a very thick, deep bark. And he won't stop for nothing until I get up and play with him. And him being, just a little bit over 1, that dog of mine has a lot of energy. Hey, Kitt! And it takes a lot to wear him down. But the trick is, excuse me, the trick is when we're here, we got to get him to run. Hey, ready, 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 go get it. We gotta at least get some running out of them. But you know what? This is only a quick fix right here, y'all. All this is a Band-Aid. Because in about 2 hours later, he'd be ready to go again. And he'd do this off and on throughout the day. And then at nighttime, I give him what I do in the house. And this is even after I walked him all day. I like to grab the ball and a toy and run with them around the living room. That kind of wears them down a little bit. Then finally, about 10 o'clock at night, no, about 10:30 at night, he's ready to settle down. You know, one day I'm hoping he catches the ball in his mouth. Let me try. Sorry about the camera angles, guys. I was switching hands. Get it! It was right to you. You could have caught that.
Bring it.
Now remember when I was saying he likes to bark at us, right? Well, mainly me. Okay, Kitt went to the gate. I'm gonna see if we can take a drink of water, and then we're gonna probably go, because I don't want him getting too hot out here in 100 degrees. Even though he didn't run it out, it doesn't matter to me. But anyway, I got him barking in the living room.
Okay.
I want to put that with Stormy's bark, so it may look like crap, my video intro. It may totally look like crap, but I'm going to try something.
Hey, get your drink.
Come on, Bubby, get you some, honey. Here, right here, look. Here you go, Daddy drink, see? Here you go, get you some. You don't want none, do you?
Okay, you want your water, don't you?
Stay still so Dad can get a thumbnail. Hey, Kitt. Stay still. That make a good thumbnail right there. Yeah. And what I do is we'll hold it up right yonder here, and that'll be the background of thumbnails end. Oh, I had to chase him down a little bit. Well, he's ready to go, but he keeps wanting to back up. Now we got a problem here, hon.
Huh?
We have to give him a drink of the good stuff.
In the car.
Yeah, because when it's hot like this, y'all, you do not want your dog on blacktop any longer than you have to. Now, I guarantee this blacktop's hot. Let's see if you open the door for me and I'll run him in. Okay, Kitt, come on, go fast, come on. Don't put it in a hurry. Get up and get. Good boy. We'll get you some good stuff, okay? I don't know if this water's any good. Better than that one up yonder, but oh, you got him on that end?
Yeah.
Every time I give him water on that end, he leaks it all over my arm. All right. Oh, you know what? I was gonna walk up there and get the name of the sign, put it in the thumbnail, but I'm not going to. Nah. It is hot, and I don't do so well in high temperatures because many years ago I had an extremely bad heat exhaustion on a job site, and I had to be rushed to the hospital. So I passed out. And ever since then, I've never done good in extreme heats. Now, tomorrow morning, if everything points out, tomorrow morning, way before, go and get your door closed, huh? Or turn that air conditioner on. Thank God for air conditioning. Tomorrow morning, if everything works out, we're hoping to go fishing.
You good?
But I want to get at the fishing hole when it's still dark. If everything works out. You see what's flying around our car? I don't know, is that a little bird? Let me see if I can show you guys.
It's a dragonfly. It's a dragonfly.
I think it is a dragonfly. Let me hold the camera still. You see it going back and forth. Come on, come back to it again, little guy. There he is, right there. You see him? He's so fast. There he is. You see him?
Dragonfly.
Hey, Mr. Kitt, you got your tongue out of your mouth. Hey, right here. You got your tongue out of your mouth, Bubby. Alright, guys, that's it for today's video. No, it's hot and humid, and it's the only thing I can do for my pet until the weather breaks. Because going on my walks, well, it's 100 degrees. We was here, what, 15 minutes? That's it. 15 minutes and I'm done. He's done. My wife is done. Some of you guys that can handle temperatures like this, my hat, if I had it on, is off to you. I cannot. And he cannot as well, and neither can she. She's dumping the rest of the water outside. So right now we're going to head to the car wash. Yeah, my Defiant needs a bath. I really need to clean the inside, but I'm going to wait till another day. And guys, that's today's video.
Okay, you're dripping on
Take it from me. If you have a dog and it's too dang hot outside, you know where I'm coming from, because if I don't do these things with them, he'll bark at me because he gets bored, and he gets bored easy. One thing different about him and Stormy, my other dog, he gets bored a lot quicker than Stormy did. Oh yeah, Stormy never did that barking at me. He does, because he wants to play all the time with Daddy. Now look at that long tongue. You have the longest tongue I've ever seen of any dog. You do. You know what it reminds me of? The guy off Kiss. Who was that that had the long tongue off Kiss? Okay, guys. Oh, God, you're leaking on me, Kitt. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thank you for watching. And I'm going to try to do something with my new intro with him barking. I'm going to try it. It may look like crap, but at least I get both dogs barking. If I can match them up barking together, that's even better. All right, guys. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here.